Good afternoon. Magandang araw sa inyo. Wala tayong kuryente? May power yan. Anyway, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Before we continue, I'd like to ask Director Arnel Angeles to lead us to prayer.
Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga bibigay niyo pong biyaya sa amin at po mga matubay. At sana po ibigay niyo kami ng kataniman ng mga salamat o upang ngayon ko mapag-usapan ang tama at pagkaroon po ng makabuluhan ng kalalagayan po ang aming pong magiging po ngayong araw na ito. Ang lahat ng ito po ay tinataas namin sa pangalan ng Jesus.
Thank you. Welcome to our first quarter Manila City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council meeting. Director Arnel Angeles, do we have a quorum?
Yes.
As of March 31, 2:45 p.m. po, Mr. Chair. The total number of attendees is 30.
Out of 30,
30 out of 49 members of the council.
so we have the quorum.
Yes.
Then let's proceed to our agenda. We have a quorum. Again, to our national agencies, partner and organization, POs, NGOs, welcome to the city government. Okay, we continue, please.